Hi, this is Alan, and once again, I'd like to thank you all for joining the R-Clubhouse test drive. This will enable us to have the most accurate, robust software that we can have when we move it into production, one club at a time. And we anticipate this test drive will not, you will not find it perfect. You will find some things for us to fix, and we hope to be able to respond to those quickly. First, I'd like to share with you a little bit about how we organize the information in the test drive. We have two domains, one trial 002 and another trial 003 that we'll be using for the test drive. This video is for trial 003. The domain in trial 002 will be used basically for testing the banner, club menu, and email. And that will enable us to use one domain for testing of all of the other features of the software. So we will be able to test members, events, pictures, and links. And we've only asked you to identify each of these with a number for your club. So if you're in Club 2 and I were part of the test group, then I would be 2 Alan, 2 Kornbluth. So first name, last name prefixed with your club name number. For articles, pages, and events, we ask you to place them in a test area specifically for your club. So you can place articles, pages, events, just as you would on your current homepage, but use that test area for your club. And for any issues, we ask that you report them using the report an issue choice on the top navigation bar. So this is what the test site will look like. It might change a little bit between this video and when we actually get started with the test drive. But you'll see that there's a section for helpful hints. We hope they're helpful. This video, so that if you haven't seen it or want to see something in it again, you'll be able to access it here. This area will have any unresolved issues that have been reported and captured within the test drive that are still open. And this area shows the information as organized, so you can take another look at that. But as I said, now each club has that's participating in the test drive has a test area. So if we went to Club 2's test area, we would come to Club 2 PBSMGA. There's already an event set up for there. And there's room in the center column and the right column to add articles and pages to this test area. You as a test officer would have everything on your officer menu that you currently have, with one exception, the club, access to club. And the reason for that is because changes on club would affect everybody in the test drive. And so that's why we set up trial 002, where we can change, how that people can have access to club and change those things only for that small test group. So once again, you'll see that we have the home pick calendar. You have choices for the list monthly. These others will go away. And then for members, we have the choice of all of the member lists that you're enjoying now in production. Pictures, you can set up slideshows. You can see any events, anything in your account or events that you've signed up for in My Events. Club menu will not really be accessible to you right in this environment. It'll be in the trial 002, as email log, archive, and links will be available there as well. This is the choice that I mentioned earlier for report an issue. And first of all, there's another video there that tells you the 3 steps that you can take in order to do that, and how to contact your club and the club officers for this environment. And there's a new vote and results choice that you have, which is very secure. And so we've added that to your capabilities in this environment. Lastly, log out. if you want to log out of here and then come back in again. And then there's the club office menu, where in your choices, this will be grayed out, but everything else will be available to you. So again, we really appreciate your helping us make this product as bug-free as we can, and when it goes into production. And I want to thank you once again for your help in doing this.